How to make carousel post on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram app. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now click on this plus option. With that, your gallery will open up. Now set it to post. Now you are able to select up to 20 photos, but you'll need to click on this icon given over here. Click on OK. Now select the photos. Once you do that, you can click on Next. Click on OK. Now from here, you are able to edit these pictures. You can add text, filters, likewise music, and click on Next. Now fill out these, add a caption, add music, tag people, add location, set audience, and click on Share. Now you can head back, go to your profile page. Now open the post that you have uploaded. Swipe to the right, you're gonna find all the pictures. So this way you can easily make carousel post on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.